On the wallet. All right, guys. So right now, my most profitable setup is the polished denim hat dock, but it wasn't always this the case. The reason being because I think it had a factory antenna. So this machine had a factory antenna, and look, this is the numbers it was doing. I switched it with a 3 dBi antenna, and the numbers jumped dramatically. So that's my best setup right now. But I just recently today I put that same antenna outdoors to my lowest number. I put it right here on this one, Tame Cotton Falcon. So we're gonna test out with this one to see if it brings the numbers up. But this one has been my most consistent, the harsh Mandarin cat. Don't worry about that 9.2 dBi. That's an antenna I had before. The antenna I'm running on there now, it's the Antenna 3 dBi antenna, multi-polarization antenna on that one. And that one been running pretty consistent. It has its ups and downs. Since June 7, 845, all the way up to, it peaked at 1,000. And now it's averaging, 900 IoTs to 920 per day. But you see that graph? It's pretty consistent. It's above the 400 IoTs. So like in my area, the average people, they're getting 400 IoTs per day. That's the average. So we're doing a little bit better than average over here with just this one miner. So yeah, so all the rest are set up with different antennas, and I just kind of gauge their performance throughout the days. But guys, if you seem to like this information, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have a question, drop it below. If you have a specific request, or if you guys want me to test a specific antenna with a miner, let me know. I'll give it a shot. I'll do like a 3-day testing data and analysis. But I gotta go. Bye for now.